Any doubt to any student in the previous topic? जपजाप, किरण, भव्या, जो कल the examples we have discussed yesterday, if you have any doubt in any of the examples, you are free to ask. Then we'll go to the next example of the dot product. Up to example 13, we have finished. No, 14, 15, we have finished. Now, come to the example 16. In example 16, he's saying, find the projection of the vector on the vector B. B is equal to I plus 2J plus K. So I have to find out the projection of A on B. So projection of A on B, this is equal to A dot B upon magnitude of B. Yesterday I told you that जिस पे प्रोजेक्शन पढ़नी है वो नीचे आएगा. So A dot P means substitute the value 2I plus 3J plus 2K dot I plus 2J plus K divided by magnitude of B. This is 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square under root, which is equal to 2 plus 6 plus 2 upon 1 plus 4 plus 1, which is equal to over, which implies 10 is to under root 6 upon 6, which is equal to 5 under root 6 upon 3. This is the projection of vector A on B. If you know the formula, it is too easy to solve the question. Any doubt in this question to any student? Now, example 17, this is very important. This is an important example. Find A minus B mod. If two vector A and B are such that vector A magnitude is 2, vector B magnitude is 3, and A dot B is 4. Now see, we know that x dot x is equal to magnitude of x whole square. Because when the vectors are same, the angle between them will be 0. So cos 0 is equal to 1. So x dot x is equal to this. In the same way, if I will take A minus B dot A minus B, it will be A minus B square. Now vector A minus B, vector A minus B, and dot product of this, what it will be? A dot A minus A dot B minus B dot A plus B dot B is equal to Now A dot A, this is magnitude of A square with the relation x dot x is equal to magnitude of x square minus A dot B minus B dot A can be written as A dot B because dot product is commutative. This is important, very important. A, magnitude of A is 2. So this is 2 square minus A dot B, this is 4. A dot B, this is 4. B, this is 3 square, which is equal to A minus B whole square. So 2 ka square 4 minus 4 minus 4 plus 9 equal to A minus B square. So it goes, this is 5 is equal to A minus B whole square. So A minus B mod, this is equal to under root 5. This is the required answer. So here in this question, you have to remember this result when the vector is multiplied by itself, x dot x, this is equal to magnitude of x. Magnitude of x is to cos 0 because the same vectors are there. The angle between the same vectors will be 0. So cos 0 is 1. So ultimately it will be magnitude of x square is to 1. That is x square. So x dot x is equal to x square. This is this relation. Abhishek, is it fine? Kiran, Jagjaat, Bhavya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubt to you in example 17? This is very important for examination point of view. Please note it down. Then we'll move to the next. Let me know as soon as you will note it down. As soon as you will note it down, let me know. Can I go to the next one? Kiran, have you noted? Hello, are you people getting me? Abhishek, Bhavya,
Yes, sir.
Japjap?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Noted, sir.
Okay, okay. Example 18. But this is also very important for examination point of view. If A is a unit vector, अब देखो उसने ये आपको दे दिया कि दिस इज अ यूनिट वेक्टर, दैट मींस मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ दिस इज इक्वल टू 1. व्हाई? बिकॉज ए इज अ यूनिट वेक्टर. And he has given us that x minus a dot x plus a equal to 8. He has given us that this is equal to 8. I have to find out the magnitude of x. This is my question. So when we will solve this question, we will take care of the dot product. That means x minus a dot x plus a. So this is equal to x dot x plus x dot a minus a dot x minus a dot a equal to 8. Now, in the last question, we did the relation x dot x is equal to magnitude of x square. So this will be magnitude of x square plus x dot a as it is minus this a dot x and x dot a. They are equal to each other because the dot product is commutative. So this is x dot a minus magnitude of a square, because a dot a, this is equal to magnitude also. It will be cancelled. Mod of x square is equal to 8 plus mod of a square. I have taken a square to other side. Now it is given that a is a unit vector. If a is a unit vector, magnitude of a is 1. So I'm going to substitute here. This is 8 plus 1, which is equal to 9. So mod of x square is equal to 9. So mod of x is equal to 3. This is my required answer. So this is very important for short answers. Very important for short answer questions, which will come for 2 marks. And it is the part of the paper so many times. Disha, you have joined late. What is the problem? Everything is fine at your home?
Sir, I have a power cut in my so there was
Okay.
a lot more network issues.
Okay. Abhishek Sani, is it clear to you? Are you getting me, Abhishek? Abhishek Sani, are you getting me? अभिषेक,
यस सर।
बेटा कहाँ चले गए? ब्रेकफास्ट करने चले गए लगता है।
नहीं 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 सर, नहीं ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं, एक्चुअल में मैंने वो
हाँ।
स्पीकर वाला पे क्रॉस लग गया
ओके
आवाज।
तो एनी डाउट टू यू इन दिस?
नो सर।
चलिए, come to the next question. Just note it down and let me know when you will note it down. Then we'll move to the next question. Example 19. So in this example, he's saying A and B are two vectors. To prove A dot B mod is less than or equal to magnitude of A is to magnitude of B. Now, solution. We know that A dot B is equal to magnitude of A is to magnitude of B cos theta. If vector A equal to 0 or vector B equal to 0, then A dot B will be 0. तब तो ये बात ऐसे ही खत्म होगी. If A 0 नहीं है, B भी 0 नहीं है, then magnitude of A dot B divided by magnitude of A is to magnitude of B is equal to cos theta. यहां से from this relation. Now we know that maximum value of cos is 1. So which implies, can I write A dot B upon magnitude of A is to magnitude of B less than equal to 1, which implies A dot B less than equal to magnitude of A is to magnitude of B after cross multiplication. Come to the next. Example 29. Any doubt to any student up to this? Disha? Kiranjeet?
No doubt, sir.
Kiranjeet?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, for any two vectors A and B, prove that A plus B mod less than equal to A mod plus B mod. This is called triangles inequality. This is triangles inequality. Solution. Now, A plus B mod square is equal to A plus B dot A plus B. Again, I'm going to start from the relation mod of x square is equal to x dot x. Now, A dot A plus A dot B plus B dot A plus B dot B. So this is mod of A square plus twice of A dot B plus mod of B square. which is equal to a square plus, can I write it as a 2? Can I write here as a less than equal to a dot b will be replaced by mod of a is to mod of b. Why? Because here from the last relation a dot b is less than a mod of a dot b is less than equal to mod of a is to mod of b. We have proved in example 9. So I have replaced the value of a dot b by mod of a is to mod of b, and I have kept less than equal to. So this is equal to mod of a plus mod of b whole square. This is a plus b mod this, which implies a plus b less than equal to magnitude of a plus magnitude of b. This is called triangle's inequality. If there are two vectors, addition of the, when I will add the two vectors and take the mod, it should be less than the mod of individual vectors. I hope this is fine. Yes, students, you're not. जब जो आप
Sir,
yes,
can you explain this, the third step?
1, 2, this one. So you see, a dot a, this is magnitude of a square. Now a dot b and b dot a, when, because the dot product is commutative, so it will be twice of a dot b. Clear?
The next
Which I can write magnitude of twice of magnitude of a is to b. Now magnitude of a is to b is always less than the individual magnitude of a and individual magnitude of b. We have already proved. So I have replaced this by this. यहां पे मैंने एक स्टेप थोड़ा सा मिस कर दिया. a डॉट b को मैंने क्या लिखा, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a is to b then magnitude of b square. Because basically when I will take a dot product of a and b, I will get the scalar. तो चाहे मैं उसको a dot b लिखूं या magnitude of a dot b लिखूं, both are the same thing because a dot b will be scalar and magnitude of a dot b will also be scalar. So magnitude of a dot b जो है वो less than equal to है किसके, individual magnitudes के. तो मैंने क्या किया, इसको twice of a dot b mod को मैंने रिप्लेस कर दिया twice, और यहां पे साइन चेंज कर दिया लेस देन इक्वल टू, इसको रिप्लेस कर दिया इंडिविजुअल मैग्नीट्यूड के साथ. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, आइडेंटिटी बन गई a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. जब आप
Yes.
ओके. So first 5 questions yesterday I have given to solve from home exercise 5.3. So any doubt in those questions? Okay, so solve next 7 questions. Your home assignment is question number 6 to question number 12. Exercise 10.3. Yes, then tomorrow I will start with the next questions and we will start with the cross products. Fine. Thank you very much for today. Thank you. इसको नोट करो. Okay, see you tomorrow. Thank you.